Hello everyone. Today I would like to make a video to actually share about USDJPY. Basically the three major pair AUD, USD, EURUSD, and USDJPYs. What are the trend that I'm looking at? What are the direction that I'm biased to? And where is the area that I'm interested to actually look for signals? Okay, so let's start with AUD USD. Okay, basically AUD USD to me means I'm still on bias to the downside. Basically it's very simple, so we can see these patterns, and the price basically is actually pullback, okay, to the previous support turn resistance area. So we can actually look for two areas, okay, two shorts. Okay, so first this will be the areas, second this will be the areas. So when price actually approaching this area, then we can actually look for sell signals, or the price, if let's say move up strongly, okay, then break through this level, okay, then we can actually look for another the next resistance levels, okay, to actually look for sell signal. So basically this is as simple as possible. This is the strategies and the things that I'm looking at for the coming weeks. Okay, then we move on to the Euro USD. So Euro USD basically in the long run we can see is on a downside. And most recently, actually last week, we can see the price actually break through a short-term uptrend. Okay, and also another indication that we can look at is actually the EMA actually is pointing to downside also. So in this scenario, I would suggest to actually look at some resistance area. The first resistance will be this area. Okay, you can look for sell signals. Second will be this. Okay, and the third one basically is the dynamic resistance. Okay, the dynamic resistance basically is refer to the EMA. I'm using a 20 and 50, so it's a 20 and 50 EMA dynamic resistance level. So if price actually approaching this area, then we can look for a sell signal, or the price basically is pulled back strongly to this level. We can also look for a sell signal and this level. So these are the three levels that I'm looking, for the next coming weeks. Okay, then the last one will be the USDJPY. So basically for USDJPY, for the last 1 to 2 months is quite volatile. We can see a very sharp uh, uh, drop on the price and up backward to the top. However, we can see this trend line actually already broke out, so this is an early indications for the uptrend in the short terms already end. Another indication to me is actually this strong pullback is actually kept at this level, which below the previous high. Okay, so because of this the price already retraced back to the lowest on the lower side. Actually I believe there might be a new downtrend is in progress. Okay, also actually we can look at the EMA 20 and 50 is also started pointing to the downside. So in all of these actually have give me indications that I should look to shorts rather than a long. So let's say I'm looking to a shorts. Basically few areas that we can look at. The first area is the resistance of the most recent resistance level. Then the second one will be the dynamic resistance level. So this is dynamic resistance level. So basically we can wait for a strong price rejections, okay, to this level. If let's say the price show a strong rejections, we can actually choose to jump into the trade based on this EMA resistance. Or if the price actually pull back strongly and approaching this level, then we can also wait for another sell signals. So that's all for today's. These are the three major pairs that I am looking at week in week out. I hope everybody have a good trading weeks ahead and profitable weeks ahead. So thanks everyone.